Calvario City Church has been in existence for the last 40 years. We have over 20 countries represented. From Latin America, pretty much every country in Latin America is represented. Haitians, people from Asia, multicultural, multi-generational, multilinguist. We switch from Spanish to English to Creole sometimes. It's a fun church. It's a tough community though. This avenue here where our church is located, Oak Ridge Road, when I got here, they told me, Pastor, you know, what's the name of that avenue? They call it Heroin Alley. And I said, okay, we're going to establish a presence here. The church began to show an increase in membership. I mean, about 40 years ago, there wasn't too many Hispanic churches in Orlando. And for some reason, Orlando started becoming the stop for many Latinos, especially Puerto Ricans. It became the ideal place to establish the church. And right now we have about 70 to 80 active ministry. This church is open every day, pretty much every day. Saturdays, there's always something. From Sunday to Sunday, there is something in this building going on. Every Wednesday, we give out food to people. We usually serve 30 or 40 families every week. Clothing, we have a whole team. Then we're working with the Venezuelan community in Central Florida. It's grown a lot. We also have a program where we pick up guys from the streets, whether alcohol or drug addiction, and we help them out. It's a disciple class. I think that every challenge in the city is an opportunity for the church. More and more, I'm seeing the government officials coming to us, mayor, the chairman of the county, commissioners coming and asking us, can you help us in this area? The chief of police coming and asking us for help. How can we help our young people? We are literally inside the schools. The principals have asked us, please come, and we're always there. And I think the church has got to be prepared for that opportunity. As a church, you look for not only did I get the right numbers, did I get the right product, did I get the right service, but do I also have a friend there that can understand kingdom mentality? There's a lot of banks out there. There's a lot of financial institutions. And all you have to do is just take a paper, apply, and if your numbers match, you'll get approved. AG is more than that. AG Financial, being a kingdom institution, knows the kingdom language. So they're for me, they're ministers. They're my partners. They're my co-workers, you know. How can we help? How can we adjust? Can you work with us? So it's more than just a financial institution giving out loans or providing financial services. They are a kingdom partner to improve or to better the churches here. They are doing it well.